Hey there, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can log in into CIBC, that is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. For that, simply open up any web browser on your device. Once you open up any web browser on your device, then you need to type in your CIBC.com and press enter on the keyboard. After that, you'll be appear on this official interface of the CIBC. So simply, what is CIBC? Let me say you a little. So CIBC Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce is a multinational bank which is the branches in various provinces of Canada, so you can access into it from many provinces of Canada. That's an advantage. So to know more about it, you can simply go to the official site of the CIBC and you can access information from there. For now, how you can log in it, you are just appear on this login page of CIBC. So you simply need to enter your card number here on top and you need to enter your password. After you are done with that, then simply you need to click on sign in and you can easily log in into the CIBC. If you forgot your password, then simply you can click in this reset your password link and you can reset your password easily following different instructions there. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.